Hey there! I finally got access to the ChatGPT Desktop App, and I'm so excited to share with you how to download and use it, why it's better than the web version, what limitations currently exist, and some cool use cases for the ChatGPT Desktop App. So, early this morning, I finally received this message inside ChatGPT, which says that ChatGPT is now available for Mac OS. It's not yet available for Windows, but I'm pretty sure it will be soon. Once I downloaded the app and opened it, this small window appeared asking us to log into our account. After logging in, we see Introducing the Launcher. This is a very useful feature. No matter what you're doing, in the browser, a document, or an application, you can always press hotkeys to ask ChatGPT whatever you're working on. Later, I'll show you how useful this feature is. The interface is quite simple and almost indistinguishable from the web version. You can switch between different models and ask questions within the app. Currently, it is only available to paid users, but I'm pretty sure it will be available to free users within a few days. But if you're considering purchasing a paid subscription to try this app, I wouldn't recommend doing so right now, and here's why. The most valuable features like voice mode or vision capabilities are not yet available. So, I would recommend buying a paid subscription after these features are available to get the maximum value from this app. Although we do have the ability to use the voice assistant, it's not the one that will be available in the next few weeks. There aren't many differences from the web version, but it is better, and let me show you why. Let's say you are working on something in Notion and you need some help. Simply press Option plus space to open the launcher. Then I can type a prompt, something like, make a structure for my script. Next, we can click on this icon, hover over Take a Screenshot, and then select Notion. It will automatically take a screenshot from Notion and attach it to the message. By simply pressing Enter, we'll get a response based on what it sees in the screenshot. This way of using ChatGPT is much more convenient and faster than the web version. There are also some additional features like upload file and photo, or take a photo. This isn't something new since we already have it in the web version, but using the ChatGPT app makes it faster. But that's not all. In a few weeks, we will get the vision feature, which will be able to see our screen in real time. Using the voice assistant, we will be able to work on our projects together with ChatGPT in real time, significantly improving the quality and speed of our work. So, in conclusion, right now, there's nothing extraordinary that justifies getting a paid subscription to use the ChatGPT desktop version, because key features like voice mode and vision capabilities are still unavailable. But as soon as these features become available, the desktop version of ChatGPT will become much more useful, and there will be no reason to use it in a web browser anymore. If you want to be among the first to know when these features become available, make sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll make a video as soon as it's available. Peace.